Hello, welcome to the Payara YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going through some of the changes in the new October release of Payara, Enterprise version 5.22.0 and Community version 5.2020.5. My name's Alan Roth. I'm an apprentice Java developer here at Payara. I'll be walking you through some of the changes in this release, which we hope you'll find interesting. Let's get started with having a look at the 5.22.0 Payara Enterprise release. Payara InSight is our metrics and performance monitoring application. Payara InSight is now part of Payara Enterprise as a stable and secure production-ready feature. It will be enabled by default in new installations and will be included in new distributions of Payara Enterprise. We have given it a visual facelift, which we hope you will appreciate. There will be a more in-depth demo and blog coming out soon, so keep a lookout for those. We have worked hard this release to provide you with IDE tools to let you use Payara Platform in popular IDEs. The IntelliJ IDE plugin has now been released and is now available on the IntelliJ Marketplace. We have also released the Eclipse IDE plugin, which can be found on the Eclipse Marketplace. We haven't ignored NetBeans, as it has received a major refactor to improve usability, as well as removing old Derby handler code, which isn't used anymore. All of our IDE plugins can be used in Payara Community. Remote EJB tracing was initially introduced as a community-only feature, but now is coming to Payara Enterprise with additional stability improvements in this release. It will be a stable and secure feature ready for use in production environments. OpenID Connect Session Timeout functionality has been added, meaning the expiry time of access tokens and/or identity tokens is verified with each request of the user. The token has expired, a new token is requested using a refresh token if it is available. Otherwise, the user session is invalidated and a logout is performed. This update also includes the possibility to perform a programmatic logout. The new feature is available in both Payara Server and Payara Micro Enterprise distributions. That concludes some of the major changes of the Payara Enterprise 5.22.0 release. I'll be looking at the new features in Payara Community Release 5.2020.5. The Notifier service has been completely overhauled in this release. The notifiers are now in a separate repository under Payara/notifiers on GitHub. It is now a much more modular experience. To include the new notifiers, you have to build them and then drag and drop them into the modules folder of your server, alongside with any dependencies they require. We have made the process of making custom notifiers much easier and streamlined. Existing notifiers have been migrated to the new API, as well as the HipChat notifier being completely removed. As this is a major overhaul, we are rolling this feature out to community first to make sure it's a fully stable and secure feature before including it into Payara Enterprise. We will be releasing a blog with more information about this soon. You are now able to run Jakarta EE 9 applications on Payara Server Community version using the Eclipse Transformer project. We have introduced this feature into Tech Preview. This feature is not recommended to be used in production environments. This doesn't signify Payara as being fully EE9 compatible. It is a proof of concept for transitioning Payara to EE9, and this is one of those steps, supporting EE9 applications. We have added new MicroProfile health-related options, which allows you to add configured Payara health checks to MicroProfile health endpoints as readiness checks. Now, for a quick summary, what has been added to the October release of Payara Platform. There have been 4 new features in Payara Community, 3 new features in the Payara Enterprise, 18 improvements in Payara Community compared to 8 improvements in Payara Enterprise, 27 bug fixes in Community, and 13 bug fixes in Enterprise. Both have received one component upgrade, is upgrading Eclipse Link to version 2.7.7. Community has also received a security fix, which is to upgrade Nimbus JOC plus JWT to version 8.20. Both Payara Community and Payara Enterprise have access to the new IDE plugins. We hope you found this information useful. We'll be releasing more in-depth blogs about some of the features listed in this video soon. If you'd like to download the latest release, head over to payara.fish/downloads. And if you'd like to use our Get Started guide, head over to payara.fish/getstarted. If you have any questions about this release, feel free to contact us with the information listed on our website, or you can contact us on our social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.